All right, Alberta ordered non-essential businesses to close. We have more from Kat Esperame, joining us live now from EBC Alberta, Canada. Hello, Kat.
Hello po, Alma. Good evening there and good morning from Canada.
Okay, so what are your updates for us now over there in Alberta?
For sure. So, in terms of testing for COVID-19 here in the province of Alberta, as of March 27, 2020, 37,673 results came out negative and 542 results came out positive. Therefore, in Calgary zone, there are 337 cases confirmed and 120 confirmed cases in Edmonton zone. The rest throughout the province, which are central, south, and north zones. Unfortunately, there were 2 deaths, one in Calgary and one in Edmonton.
Measures in place now for the situation right now for the coronavirus situation? What are the measures in place to or implemented to stop or limit the spread of the coronavirus?
So for all the residents in Alberta, and I guess that goes for everybody here in Canada, the government and the province of Alberta, they always tell us to keep updated with the news and as much as possible to keep under self-isolation for 14 days, just in case if you've been in contact with someone who had COVID-19 as well, and practice social distancing. So at least 2 meters away from others when coughing, just cough away from in your elbow area, and always keep your hands clean. So hygiene is a top priority.
Okay, so essential services, are they still ongoing? Food supply, is it ongoing? Hospitals, are they coping?
So
Health workers?
for hospitals, for especially our frontline workers, they're definitely doing a great job, and they're spreading the message to all the residents saying that please stay at home as much as possible. They have implemented self-assessment testing that are available online for all residents and for healthcare workers as well. They are provided regarding on what kind of symptoms that you are experiencing. If it's emergency kind, it would be a 911. And unfortunately, we also have an 811 health line where you can talk to nurses regarding about the situation that you are going through. As for stocks in grocery stores, luckily stocks are being replenished in grocery stores, but they are still limited.
Are there limitations to your movement in your city's quarantine policies?
Yes, there are, especially in gatherings that are going outside. They do limit gatherings of under 15 and as much as possible less, so even just 10. And I know they are implementing a lot more laws, so people could be fined in gatherings outside in the city as well when they're not practicing social distancing.
So what conditions would give people a free pass to move around? Do you know?
What condition?
Yeah.
I would probably say, I guess like when people are driving around, because those kind of situations cannot be helped. But I know they are trying to implement something, especially for driving around the city as well.
Have curfews been implemented there too?
At the moment right now, I haven't heard. I could be wrong, but I haven't heard any from the news. They just implement not to go outside as much as possible and stay isolated at home.
So how are the people now? Are they obedient to the policies of the government?
Majority of the people are, but you do get some people here and there which can't be helped. This is why they implement any of these rules and fines, just to get people much more safe, because this is the safety of everybody, and we're just trying to make sure that the COVID-19 does not spread throughout.
As a citizen over there, and what can you do to help in this crisis right now?
So during this crisis, it's as simple as actually just staying at home, unless like otherwise you feel like there are other health concerns. Like please like call like 811 number, talk to a nurse, ask them for advice and stuff, and stay hygiene, like wash your hands, avoid touching your face, and you can't help but you have to go outside due to necessary things, like stay 2 meters away distance from everybody as much as possible.
All right. Thank you very much. Keep safe, as tell everybody, and stay healthy.
All right,
Thank you.
thank you. From Alberta, Canada, my name is Kat Joy. We live in interesting times.
Okay.